Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can fix an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue expected channel name issue on your Roblox account. In order to fix this kind of issue, first thing first, now this kind of error occurs due to several reasons. Now I'll also be showing you various methods on how you can fix it. The first thing is you can always go ahead and check your internet connection. If you have an unstable or if you're not connected to a good Wi-Fi service or internet, then this kind of error occurs. So for that you need to go to your settings page and after that check whether you're connected to an internet service or not. So if you're already connected to an internet service, you're still seeing this kind of issue, then what you can do is simply go ahead and restart your device, or you can just restart your internet connection, and after that it might be able to fix the issue all at once. If this is not working, then what else you can do is in the browser from where you actually play Roblox, and after that you need to go ahead and tap on the three dot icon, and from there go ahead and tap on history. Once you tap on history, you'll need to open up your history tab, and from here you need to clear your cache. After you open up your history page, you can see in the left hand sidebar there is clear browsing data. So from here you'll need to select the date as well, and you can see you can just go ahead and select all time, or you can just go ahead and select last 24 hours, whatever is convenient for you. And after that you'll need to click on clear the bottom, and as you'll need to restart your device once again, and this might be able to fix it. If this isn't working, you can also try disabling your VPN. So if you have a VPN or if you're connected to an antivirus, then what you can do is you can simply disable it. So for that as well, you need to go to the settings page. From here you need to go to network and internet, and you can see there is VPN. If you're already connected to VPN, just turn it on by tapping on the toggle button right in the corner. And after that, if you have antivirus, then what you need to do is open Windows tab inside security, and from here you'll need to select, after that go ahead and select on virus and threat protect, scroll down a bit, go to manage settings, and from here you'll need to turn off virus and threat protect, or you need to turn off real-time protection. So turn it off or turn it off, and after that this might be able to fix it all at once. Now last but not least, if none of these seems to be working, then what you can do is you can simply uninstall your Roblox application and once again reinstall it and restart your device at the same time and log in into your account. This might be able to solve the issue all at once. If this is also not working, then you can definitely go ahead and check Roblox server. So for that you need to open up a web browser, and then on the web address bar you need to type in status.roblox.com, the status or the server of Roblox, and go ahead and check information, and that is basically how you can fix your issue. So in this way you can fix issue in Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.